The first thing to do when you are sending an email newsletter is not to even call it an email newsletter, because who wants to receive an email newsletter? Do you? I don't. No one wants to receive an email newsletter if they're honest about it. Subscribe to a newsletter you see on a website. No thank you. I've got enough crap coming into my inbox. So give it a name that elicits some sort of fun, imagination, character, personality. Say you run a pie shop, call it the Monthly Meaty, the Meaty Monthly. You run a photography business or anything to do with photography, you could call your email newsletter In Focus. Just think of something that captures the essence of what you're trying to do, and don't call it a newsletter. Make your email about one thing and one thing only. Too many people send too many emails about too many things, and it's confusing too many people. So just create one idea, one subject, one theme, one intended outcome. If you confuse people, they won't do anything. You've heard the phrase, a confused mind never buys. So make your email about one thing. And if you've got lots of other ideas, put them in another email. Don't be tempted to bombard people. Oh, I'll tell them about this and I'll tell them about that as well. Don't. They're not interested. They've got their own lives. Make your email about one thing and one thing only. Keep it clean. You've heard it said that less is more many times. And when it comes to this type of thing, it's true. The more you try and pack into an email, the more messed up it's going to look, the harder it looks to read. The more space there is, the more cleanliness there is, the better. So don't put too much in. Keep the colors simple, keep the fonts simple, keep the images simple with lots of space, not cluttered images with words on top and colored fonts, etc. But don't say too much. Don't say, hi, how are you doing this month? I thought I'd keep you up to date with XYZ. No one's interested in that. Just get on with it and get to the facts. On this email I'm sending here, there's not even a goodbye. Use video in your emails. If you're not using video already, I'm quite worried for you, because everybody is using video pretty much. And if you're not using video, you should be. Get using video and get used to it. Take out your phone and do stuff like this. Video in the subject line increases your open rates considerably. All you need to do is record something on your phone, upload it to YouTube and put the YouTube link into your email. Get video into your emails and you will get more people reading your emails and watching you on video. Having a call to action at the end of your emails is vital, because there's no point in informing people and getting them excited about something if you're just going to leave them hanging and it's a dead end. One thing to never say, the worst possible call to action in the world is call for more details. I might not be ready to speak to you. I don't want to call for more details. Calling for more details makes me think I might be put under immediate and inevitable sales pressure. I saw a double glazing bit of direct mail recently. The double glazing call to action was call for more details. That's going to be the worst industry ever. Okay, here's some things you can be saying for calls to action on my board here. Okay, you could say to somebody to download, shop by, register, contact, subscribe, watch, get started, schedule, join, comment, access, book, visit, take control, decide now. Just don't say call for more details. There's some brilliant things you can do there to move people on to the next stage, but be sure to move them on to the next stage and get some action. Call to action. You've been watching Tim Coe. I'm the author of Your Utterly Seductive Proposal. If you can't be bothered to do any of that yourself, then don't worry, because I'm here to help. You can always use me and do away with the hassle, and I'll design you an email, give it a brilliant subject line in the subject box and a theme, and everything I've talked about I'll do for you. It starts at 297 plus VAT. I hope you've enjoyed this and you can use those tips yourself. If you can't, reply to this email. That's the call to action. Just hit reply. It's so easy. Reply to this email and I'll speak to you soon. If I don't speak to you soon, I'll get one of your emails soon, I hope.